Today, we're turning everyday kitchen chaos into actual science magic.
Ever avoid home science because you pictured broken beakers or oil in your hair? Well, let's fix that.
Simple safety rules, like having a solid plan and adult supervision, totally unlock confident learning in your kitchen.
Remember, safety isn't about hovering. It's literally the foundation of a great, empowering experiment.
Okay, Section 1, Chemical Reactions. We're making self-inflating balloons using basic pantry staples.
These 3 super simple steps are literally all you need to build your own self-inflating balloon.
Just watch how everyday vinegar and baking soda transform into a seriously awesome reaction.
This brilliantly shows a chemical reaction, the base and acid mix creating bubbly carbon dioxide gas.
Section 2 explores density, and we're doing it by making a completely mesmerizing homemade lava lamp. You just need water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and a fizzing Alka-Seltzer tablet to kick this off.
See how the oil sits delightfully on top? That's because it has a lower density than water.
Heavier liquids sink, so density explains why those bubbles carry water droplets up, only to fall again.
Moving to Section 3, Forces. Let's see how carbonated soda makes ordinary raisins unexpectedly dance around.
Drop some raisins into club soda. What's actually making them bop up and down like that?
Those carbon dioxide bubbles act like tiny floaties, drastically increasing the raisin's buoyancy to lift them.
For our grand finale, thread a string through a straw and tape an inflated balloon to it. Air rushing backward pushes the balloon forward, perfectly showing Newton's law of equal and opposite reactions.
So, the real takeaway? These simple, safe kitchen moments absolutely build lasting scientific confidence for kids.
The science is totally real and waiting for you. So what will you discover in your pantry today?